Hey everybody, today I am going to be cooking fried chicken, and I'm going to be using my propane tank to cook my fried chicken. Stay tuned so y'all can see how I fry my chicken. See you later. Okay, I am back. I'm showing y'all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have my Tony Creole seasoning, my Zatarain's cayenne pepper, and I have yellow mustard, the store brand kind. I got it from Walmart. Okay, so I already started seasoning my chicken, so I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the seasoning with the mustard and the cayenne pepper. As y'all can see, I have seasoning already on my chicken. I'm going to be adding, and that is the Creole seasoning that I put on the chicken already. I'm going to be adding some cayenne pepper to the chicken. Just a little bit. I don't want too much cayenne pepper. And then I'm going to be adding mustard. Okay. I didn't add too much mustard, just a little bit mustard. A small quantity. And I'm just going to massage it on in. I'm going to work that seasoning into this chicken. There's going to be some crispy fried chicken, country style. Okay, so I'll be back to show y'all once I get the propane tank all ready. First, you have to take off this part. And you're going to get this piece right here. You're just going to screw this piece on tight. You're going to look at this part right here where it says open and close. And you're going to turn it on. Turn it on where it say open it. And you're going to look at this part and you're going to turn it on. Once you hear the little sizzling sound, you're going to light your burner. Now I'm pouring my oil in my pot where I'm going to be cooking my chicken. You want to make sure the oil is hot before you put your chicken in the grease, in the oil. Okay, y'all, I'm putting the chicken into the grease. I have legs, I have wings, and I have thighs. You're gonna let your chicken cook for about 20-30 minutes. You'll know when it's ready when you see the chicken coming closer to the top of the pot. I'll be back, y'all, when it's time for me to turn the chicken over. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna turn the chicken over, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 more minutes, and I'm gonna take it out. Then I'm gonna let y'all see how crispy my fried mustard chicken came out. Okay, now I'm taking the chicken out the grease. It's done. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Okay, everyone, this is how the chicken came out. As you can see, nice and brown.
Hey guys.
Jabbar eating him a piece right now.
Why is hot?
He just came from out the grease.
Yeah, I need some meatballs.
Okay, now I'm getting ready to taste a piece of my mustard fried chicken.
Mustard?
As you can see, it's very crunchy. It's seasoned very well. A little spicy.
The chicken is hot.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.